Wait until you see how easy this headband is. Today we're going to make this super easy and beautiful crochet headband only in 6 minutes. First, start with a magic ring and then begin chaining until you reach your desired length. I'm going to make mine long enough to cover the area behind my ears when I wear it. Now for the first row, count down to the 3rd chain and work 1 double crochet into that chain. Then chain 1, skip the next chain and work 1 double crochet into the following chain. Continue this pattern all the way across. 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 chain, 1 double crochet. Keep repeating this simple mesh pattern until you reach the end of the row. Once you've finished the main part, fasten off and cut the yarn. Now, choose a different color for the edging. Start with a magic ring and join it to one of the spaces in the mesh section of the main piece. Once you have joined the yarn, chain 2, then work 2 double crochet into the same mesh space. Chain 3 double crochets into each space. So, including the starting chains, you will have 3 double crochets in the same mesh space. Continue working around the entire piece using the same pattern to create a neat and beautiful edging. If you're enjoying this tutorial so far and finding it easy to follow, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think about my channel in the comments below. Now, when you reach the last mesh space, we are going to make the edging slightly different. First, work 3 double crochet, then chain 1, and work another 3 double crochet into the same space. We'll do the same thing at both ends of the headband to create a neat finish. The space we have created in the middle will be used to attach the headband ties. For the ties, you have 2 options. You can do it the way I'm doing it here without cutting the yarn. Simply use single crochet stitches to move the yarn toward the center of the headband. Or you can fasten off, cut the yarn, and attach it directly to the space we created at the beginning and end of the headband. Then simply chain until you reach your desired length so you can tie the headband. For the ends of the ties, you can also add a cute cluster stitch if you like. To make it, work 4 incomplete double crochet into the 3rd chain. Then yarn over and pull through all 5 loops on your hook at once. Do this for both ties. And that's it. Your beautiful and super comfortable crochet headband is ready to wear. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to check out the other crochet patterns on my channel. And make sure to subscribe so you don't lose my channel and can find me easily for the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.